In this video, I will show you how to edit banner in Shopify. Let's get started. In order to do that, click on this customize option that you have right here. And then from in there, it will open this particular Shopify editor in here. So when you scroll down, you can see that we have in here this image banner. And if you want to edit that, what you can do is you can just head over and click on it. And this is what will actually show you. So I have in here my first image, and this is my second image. You can edit out those particular images by clicking on the edit option. And you can add focal point or anything you want. You can change the URL handle as well as alt text. You can also change the map however you want. So in here, you can see the image overlay capacity. If you head over and put in here 100%, they will change the overlay right here. Now you can also change the banner height, the desktop's content position, the color scheme, and anything that you have right here, as well as the animation. So you can put in here ambient movement just like this one in order to make this more appealing. So once you have clicked on that, you can see that you can change a lot. And if you click on the heading right here, it will show you the heading right here wherein you can change the heading size as well as the text that you can have. And when you head back again, you can see that under this, we have this as well as the body. And when you click on the buttons, you can change where the button will redirect the user that clicks on it. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.